Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley training video. In this one we're going to be going through MMAT metamaterials. So to get straight into it, obviously we're sitting around $1 as of right now. If we fall to the downside, we do have key supports and kind of where I'll be looking more at potential swings. If we come down to kind of the 75 cents, then 60 cents and another level at 40 cents. We do have a final level at 20 cents, but even if the stock continues quite weak, that's probably quite unlikely to see in the near future. If we end up pushing to the upside, 117, again, I'm not ever looking to trade that, and within $1 basically where we are now, because this range here is statistical mean. This is basically fair value. I'm never looking to touch a stock within this area. So instead, if it doesn't go to the supports and we end up breaking to the upside, then I'm paying attention to around 150 to around 140. These are our first deviations. Again, because these are more volatile stocks, we can see these first deviations I'm probably not looking to trade, because again, risk to reward is just probably isn't going to be all that great on those. And the same to the support, around the 60 to 78 cents. Don't really want to be touching these either, because again, it's just struggling to get that good risk to reward. I mean, they're going to be easier from the downside, because if you're buying at those 52-week lows, obviously there's a bit of a better chance you get the bounce. But either way, I'll probably be staying away from that. For the downside, I'll be waiting until at least probably 40 cents. And if we're pushing to the upside, kind of $2 is when I'd start paying attention. We do have another level though at 185, but 195 is kind of what I'd be paying attention to. And if we can, final levels at 223 or 225, 235, and our final two levels at 260 and 275, and that's what I'd be paying attention to. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.